Hello guys, today's video is about this soup right here, LongRich. This LongRich natural essence bamboo charcoal soap. Using it for some time now, and I can confirm and testify that this soap is very nice. If you have skin problems like eczema, blackheads, and whitehead, this soap is very nice and it's smoothing your skin very good. If you are using this soap smoothing your skin very nice. I love it so much. You can use it to bathe. You can use this soap to bathe, or you can use it to rub. Just after bathing, you can use it to rub on your body like cream. It's very nice. It makes your skin to it's smoothing your skin. It's smoothing your skin, and it's good. This soap is good for like cleansing your face too. If you have this soap, you don't need to buy face clay. You don't need to buy face cleanser. If this soap can still do the job, it cleans your face very well. You can still use it as face cleanser. Before you bathe, you just wet your face and you rub the soap on your face before you bathe. Then you leave it for like 1 or 2 minutes before you bathe. Then you wash it off. It cleanses your skin very well, your face very well. It's better than some of all these face cleansers out there. So this soap is very nice. And if you have any skin problem like eczema, it's very good for eczema too. If you have eczema on your skin, if you are using this soap, just give it like, let's say, 1 week or 2 weeks, the eczema will disappear. I'm telling you, this soap is very nice. Eczema will disappear. But for blackhead and whitehead, it takes some time. As you continue using it, the blackhead will be fading just little by little, and the whitehead, it will be fading little by little. But for eczema, it's like 1 or 2 weeks. It's just clear it off. If you have pimples too, like, it's good for like most skin problems, and it's very nice. I love it so much. LongRich soap is very good. I use it as my cream. Sometimes I use it as my cream. When I bathe finish, I just rub this soap and that is all. I don't rub anything else. And it's very good with my skin. Sometimes I use it as my face cleanser. Before I bathe, I rub it on my face before I bathe. Then when I'm bathing, I wash it off. It's very nice. Smoothing the skin. It's good for eczema. It's good for eczema. It's good for blackhead and whitehead. It cleanses your skin very well and make your skin to be smooth. It's smoothing your skin. That is very nice, and it's good for all these skin problems. If you have all these skin problems that I've mentioned, like eczema, blackhead, whitehead, or even pimples, if you have those kind of skin problems, this soap is one of the best soap you can use for all the skin problem. And LongRich soap, go and try it and thank me later. Like this one now, they have three of this inside, like this. Look at how it looks. Like this, they have 3 inside this thing. I've used 2 already, and this one is the last one inside. I've used 1 already. I'm using the second one now, and this one is the 3rd one inside. They have three bamboo charcoal soap inside, and it's go and try it and thank me later. It's very good, I'm telling you. It's very good. Thank you very much for watching my video. Like it if you like it. Thank you.